Hey Scott, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to go over a few things with you today as far as your guys' website, kind of what your competitors are doing, and how I think you guys could drive a lot more traffic to your guys' business. So you guys have a really well-built site. I really like what you guys have going on here. And I noticed you guys have all these different service areas with different pages for each service or area that you guys are servicing. So looking at just kind of a broad overview of your guys' site, I have this tool called Ahrefs, and what this allows me to do is kind of see the back end of what you guys have going on, look at how many backlinks you guys have, which is references to your website on the web that help bring up your rankings, your organic keywords, and your total referring domains, which is the number of IP addresses or web addresses that your guys' website is mentioned on. So what you're looking for in these is your do follow domains. So you guys have 134 referring domains and 68 of those are do follow. Looking at traffic you guys have going to your site, you have a fair amount. You're 10,000, so you have a lot of traffic coming to your site. But I think there's actually the possibility for you guys to actually see a lot more based off of the keywords you guys are ranking for. So just one example. One of your guys' service areas I saw down here is actually I originally found you guys, San Clemente Plumbing. So looking at search volume for plumber in San Clemente, there's 350 searches a month for that search term. Looking at where you guys are sitting right now, you guys are sitting at 14th. And what the number I kind of base everything off of is, 33% of all search volume goes to that number one spot. So you're leaving a lot of money on the table and potential clients. So looking at, I kind of went over this overview, your backlinks and all this. Looking at for this back page you guys have, what I'm seeing is one backlink and one referring domain. So what that's telling me is you guys are driving all of your backlinks to your main page and not getting any to these sub pages, which looking at competition, I mean, it's not anything that's undoable to pass these guys up, but there's so many of these. Almost every city I clicked on, you guys are ranking really well for Orange County Plumber, but for these individual cities like San Clemente, there's a lot of money being left on the table just because you guys aren't driving any traffic to these back pages. So beefing up those back pages and really driving a lot more of these backlinks and good do follow strong backlinks would really help you guys out. And I think you guys could blow that 10,000 organic search volume out of the water if you were able to do that. I mean, right now you guys are looking at 2.6 searches a month for plumber in San Clemente. People are actually searching that and going to your guys' website out of that 350. So, I mean, looking at Greenwall Plumbing, which is the top rank for San Clemente plumbers, their website's not half as good as your guys's, but they're doing a lot more when it comes to the SEO side, just focused on that San Clemente, where they have 404 backlinks with 14 of those do follow domains. So, there's a lot of potential here. I think if you guys were to drive some more of those backlinks to these back pages, that you guys would see a huge uptick in business. So I hope you're able to get something from this. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out, and have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Thank you.